So the first one, column A to match with column B. Profligate, D, A, B, C. Mark it. Profligate should be a person who spent excessive money, right? So that's nothing but called as a D, a recklessly extravagant person. So profligate. Iconoclast, like I said, non-culturist, counter-culturist, infante terrible. Iconoclast means also same. Icon means called as a breaking any religion symbol, right? So iconoclast could be E. A person who attacks others' belief. Benefactor, it's who supports a person or causes, right? So benefactor. Sybarite, it's a self-indulgent or self-involvement in a person. So that's why Sybarite. Misanthrope is called as a person who hates a human being. Okay? समझ में आया? Question number 6 to 10. 6 is C, 7 is B, 8 is A, 7 is B. C. 7 is B, 8 is A, 9 is C, D, 10 is B. 9 is C. It's B. Any doubt from the question number 6 to 10 you may ask. Number 7. What's the answer that you feel? B. Yeah, B is the answer. C or D? Okay. Now, did you understand what the question asked here? The times of high prices, right? Almost always a kind of a involvement or kind of a process, right? For much fraud, isn't it? So when you find out that the prices are getting high, so it gives nothing but a kind of opportunity for the much fraud. Engender means what? You involve, as a person you involve into much fraud. There is an opportunity for ingenious mendacity. The meaning of mendacity is called as a corruption, right? So ingenious mendacity means what? That the disloyal people involved in the corruption, right? But if I talk about the word called as a prognosticate and disingenuous and legalize immutable, so आप fraud को तो legalize कह नहीं पाओगे, कहोगे क्या? Fraud is a legalized one? नहीं. Supplant का मतलब flow होता है. Prognosticate, which is called as a, somebody who follow much fraud. There is an opportunity for disingenuous. Ingenuous का opposite है, right? कौन सा? Immutable का मतलब होता है mutable. Mute का मतलब क्या होता है? Change, mutation, right? Immutable का मतलब unchanged. कौन सा? Intermittent, interval, interference, interlocution, right? So inter means called as a बीच में, interval कहते हैं. So it's all about the root word that helps you to draw the meaning, isn't it? 9 number. Higher volatility and wider spreads that prompt banks to seek more dash, which in turn dash the problem of oblique prices. Now what do you find out? First thing is called as you need to understand what kind of a sentence you are reading and this sentence belongs to which of the subject type. This is a kind of a statement is taken from the economics, or you can say financial sector, banking sector, right? Now in that case, the what should be also banking, isn't it? When you say volatility and the wider spreads, banks to seek what? Banks to seek more collateral, security. But we will not use security when you talk about banking case. In banking case, we use collateral, isn't it? We don't use mortgage, collateral, security, right? So that is called as a banking language. So security, autonomy, freedom, these three cannot be used. Freedom to hoga nahi. So and autonomy, so banking autonomy nahi hoga. So security and collateral mein rahega. So when we are talking about security, you can use security everywhere. But when you talk about collateral, banking will use collateral. Isn't it? That's it. Any other question? Question number 10 में किसी का doubt है? No? Okay. Question number 11 to 15. You would find out it's a synonym based question. Discreditable, ignominious. Discredit. Credit का मतलब किसी को means reputation देना और किसी को praise करना, right? Discreditable का मतलब you are not giving credit, right? Means you insult, right? So in that case, it should be ignominious, disgrace or shame. When you talk about duel, fracas will go with the C, altercation, right? Lugubrious, it's a doleful. Appurtenant, pertinent. Anthropophagite, D, cannibal. Pertinent. Appurtenant, pertinent ba? Next stage, 16 to 20. Anathema, D, favorite. Then bellicose, B, peaceable. Bellicose means jagdalu. Bellicose, rebel, belligerent, bellicose, right? So in that case, they are called as warsome, quarrelsome, jagdalu. So bellicose, the opposite would be what? Somebody who doesn't do the quarrel. So peaceable. Gratuitous, warranted. Right? Gratuitous means respect. Warranted means search someone because he is guilty. Warranted. Genesis, expiration. Genesis का मतलब birth, expiration का मतलब death. Necromaniac, necropolish. Generally people who eat the human flesh. Necropolis. So metropolis is also there. You understand the metropolis? People's city. Necropolis can be zombies. Right. Okay. So perpetuation, continuation, degeneracy, degrade. Right. Inculpate, exonerate. Inculpate means to put somebody in a blaming somebody, accuse somebody, and exonerate means free from blame. Free from blame. 21 to 25. 21 is A, 22 is D. No, liberal. C. Sorry. Non-interfering, unintrusive, disinclined. These are the three which are called as a synonym. Right? So, whereas liberal is called as a freedom. Right? Sedate, B, bequeath. Then 24, C, quintessence. 25D, embargo. 26 to 30, veteran. Veteran means expert, बाकी तीन new. Then 27, paragon. It's called as a typical example. Then 28, benediction. Blessing. Benediction. Ben means good. Dix means word or speech. Good word, good speech. Somebody when he says good words to you, it's like a blessing. Aphorism, maxim and precept. They are known as adage. Aphorism means quotation. Maxim means proverbs, right? And precept is also called as a short quotes, short information, right? So aphorism, maxim, precept are called as a good words spoken by some people, right? Benediction is blessing, right? And opposite is called as a malediction, M-A-L-E-D-I-C-T-I-O-N, which is called as a curse. आप लोग पूछते नहीं हो, वरना मैं तो पूरा का सबका वर्ड का मतलब बोल देता. Okay. Next is cadence, rhythm, rhyme, lilt. Rhyme will be the odd one. Cadence, rhythm, lilt is called as a pitch. Right? Pitch. Right? Intonation, sounds. Right? Amiable, amicable, gregarious, hostile. Because बाकी सारे friendly है और connected है. Egregious means joint. The amicable means friendly. Gregarious means again go together. Right? ठीक है? Now 31 to 35. Any idea? Apocalypse. A-P-O-C-A-L. Apocalypse. L-Y-P-S-E. Apocalypse. Good. Or? Cogitate. C-O-G-I-T-A-T-E. Cogitate means thinking or meditate. Plutocracy. Very good. P-L-U-T-O-C-R-A-C-Y. Plutocracy. धनी घर के लोग. Then Amazon. A-M-A-Z-O-N. Which means a strong woman. It is a eponym. The first one is palliative. P-A-L-L-I-A-T-I-V-E. Reducing your pain. P-A-L-L-I-A-T-I-V-E. Palliative. Done. P-A-L-L-I-A-T-I-V. V for victory. मैं तो जोर से लाऊं